Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X300 Ultra and let me share with you how to change a camera video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video, and if you can see the red color actually inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now we need to take a look at this option bar at the top, and here on the second position from the left we've got the resolution, so let's simply tap on it. And in this device we've got three different options, so 1080p, 4K and 8K, and under it we've got also frames per second. So all you need to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll pick 8K, and as you can see it was immediately highlighted. It is also notified right here, and it basically means that from now on our device will use this resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.